Sarey, unfortunately, is not able to be here with us today, so I'm going to step in and talk for him.
Thank you for doing this.
Yeah, no problem. Yeah. So, the White Center Community, well, I'm from the White Center Community Development Association. My role is actually the data and evaluation manager, so I'm kind of out of place with this, but thanks for having me here. So
Yeah.
what we do is we do a lot of different things. We pretty much work with the community and whatever the community needs are. So we connect with local White Center residents, small businesses, families, teachers, staff, schools. So we connect with the community in almost every way in order to really listen to the community, hear what the community has to say, and try to support the community in any way that we can. So a lot of that sums up to a lot of family community activities, like you might know the White Center 5K or our promise celebration at the end of the year, beginning of the year to celebrate the school year, things like that. But we also work with our local small businesses and trying to help them with a lot of things that's going on in White Center with gentrification and displacement. A lot of our work is placed in anti-displacement and trying to help families stay in White Center and trying to help businesses stay in White Center as well. But yeah, we work with parents, with early learning, play and learn, for example, programs. We also work with parents within the school district as well, trying to navigate the school system. In terms of youth programs, we have two specific youth programs. One is called White Center to White House, and that program centers around just bringing youth together in community organizing and bringing them into spaces where for traditionally is more grown-ups or adults are talking about or making policies and system change. So so we're supporting supporting our youth to be in that kind of spaces, to make their voices heard and give them a platform to talk about the issues, the things that they care about that affects their community. So that's our White Center to White House program. We have a similar program, which is the LGBTQIA youth development program, which is also another internship program that meets weekly as well. And that's just a safe space for our LGBTQ youth and allies as well to come together to learn skills, build relationships, and support each other. Also connect students to or youth to community opportunities and resources as well. Both of those are stipend programs. They're by quarterly programs. And right now we're kind of in the middle between programming. Our LGBTQ programming will start soon. Our White Center White House is kind of on hold right now because our youth builder for that program found another job, and so we're trying to find a replacement for her. But yeah, so those are our main two youth focused programs